Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see answers in Google Forms. So let's get right into it. Click the 9 dots next to your profile, scroll down and select Forms. Here, select your form. Click the Responses tab. Here, we have 3 sub-tabs. Summary provides graphs and charts summarizing each question. For example, it shows frequently missed questions, and it also shows total points distribution. Here it shows charts for each of the questions. So you can come here and copy each of these charts. If you select question, it will show you the individual responses for each question. And if you select individual, it will show you each participant's responses separately. If you want to do a more advanced analysis of the responses, you can link it to Google Sheets. Click this green icon here that says Link to Sheets, and you can choose to select an existing spreadsheet or you can create a new one. I'm going to create a new one. And in Google Sheets, it will show you the score and the times each response was submitted. After exporting the responses to Google Sheets, you can use the tools provided here, like conditional formatting, for a deeper analysis. And that is how to view answers in Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.